If pool stores actually fixed pools, homeowners wouldn't keep coming back with the same problems. And the biggest lie that pool owners believe is that this tells the whole story. It doesn't. I'm Clark with Monaco Pool, and I'm not here to bash pool stores. I'm here to explain why following pool store advice alone is why so many pools never stay clear. The biggest pool store lie is this: if the pool store tested it, I'm covered. Most pool owners think once they've been tested, their problem is solved. But a pool store test is just a snapshot. Pool stores usually see your water in a single moment in time. They don't see what happened between visits. They don't see how fast chlorine is disappearing. They don't see slow buildup over time. They don't see how long something's been growing. They're reacting to water conditions, not managing the pool. This paper can say high, low, or danger, but it doesn't tell you how you got there. That's why people add exactly what they're told and still end up right where they started. Here's why this is so confusing. You do exactly what the pool store tells you. You add the chemicals, and for a little while, the pool actually looks better. That's why people trust the process. But most pool problems don't show up immediately. They build slowly for days or weeks. So by the time your water turns green or cloudy, the cause already happened long before your last test. That's why pool store advice feels logical, but never seems like it lasts. It's not wrong. It's just reacting after the problem already started. Pool stores sell solutions, they don't track patterns. And pool problems are always patterns, they aren't one-time mistakes. That's why the advice keeps changing, but nothing ever sticks. The fix isn't avoiding pool stores. The fix is understanding what pool stores can't give you. Once you understand how to keep a pool stable, the advice finally makes sense. Pool store tests aren't useless, they're just a snapshot. And a snapshot can't tell you what your pool is building towards. That's why clear water and one good test can still give people false confidence. And in the biggest pool lie about clear water, I explain why problems start before you can see them and how to stay ahead of them. Watch here.